life for me in career, I have got all sort of whatever the growth and opportunities were required. But for me, I knew that till what point I'm getting the growth and opportunities. After that, I knew that I'm not gonna get. So it was a right quick, you can say a quick idea of changing the career at the right time. I'm Barsha. I have done my education in NIFT as a apparel designer. So all this while, I have 9 years of work experience in apparel, and also my major work experience goes around in menswear designing in retail brand MNC, because I knew what I wanted to do, everything, but there was a lot of options and lot of information available everywhere nowadays. So which is why it was getting very confusing for me to know like what could be the right planning. Basically, the planning which I wanted, the strategic planning which I wanted to do to move towards the new career, and what can be my short goal and long goal, and all the steps which I need to take. So that alteration I needed, because in this whole information bombarded world, it is really difficult to come to any solution. So that is why I went for career counseling. Set my career, it is actually exactly what I wanted. Firstly, the kind of assessments were taken. It clearly gave me a pictorial view of what kind of person I am and what kind of things I would like, and also if any employer is hiring me. So what a person needs to put it in his mind that these are the qualities of this person, so we should hire or not. So in that way, it will be helpful for me also whenever I'm reading any job profiles, the JD. So I could know that these are the qualities I have, and obviously everyone knows that, but it could be more easier way to prepare myself for any interview or any grasping any opportunities. So knowing yourself in your career field is also very important, and that assessments helped me a lot in that. Career recommendation report was very insightful. With that, at least I got an idea that with what I could start, like what could be my first step, and then how I can navigate into the other step. So that idea at least I got. It's not like I'm thinking about some other thing which is not even relatable to the other part. So it's quite a relatable report. Few of the options were quite different, like a lawyer or something. But yeah, it's fun to know also that you are capable of being a lawyer as well. But yes, it was very productive. Career counselor was Dr. Rathi, and journey with him was very detailed, very informative. The day I met him, it wasn't that time I didn't took that career counseling. It was my only session that I took, because I'm a kind of person who likes to face have an interaction and understand whether it will going to help me or not. So it was very I would say very agreeable enough to understand that okay, this is something which can help me out. So that's the point. I didn't took that much of time also to take a decision on that. So the first day also, he was quite patient to understand my case, and I have also seen the kind of eagerness that he has to solve the case. Like maybe it's call it as his passion to do that. So still now also he would tell me that these are the things I think you can look into those things, you can transform it into those things, which means he's also thinking with me. So which is a very right thing. I found it in a very right place, because here I am also thinking, and also there is another person also thinking, and both the ideas been collaborating, taking this as a mutual case together. So he works together. So that is what I really liked about him, and very very passionate to deal with the problems. So which is what I wanted. It makes it work. I would like to give the message, but I know like. There are many people, even in my friend circle, I know there are many people that they want to go for career counseling, but the fact is that it is not very much you can say highlighted or not advertised it properly in the real world. But because career counseling, when you go for the one thing, you get into that marketing, that okay, join our place, you will get those things. So that is a bigger misunderstanding which has happened with whole the public. Otherwise, if you get a right counseling, not only career, in any personal therapy also, getting a right match is really important. So I would say everyone at certain point of time, they need one person to help you out with something, like asking for help. Even though you're paying for it, asking for help is also most important thing.